literally stop eating. Sorry, I was speaking to myself because I have an audition coming up and I can't be big. Hello, YouTube! All 90 viewers out of 2,000 subscribers. How are you guys doing today? Today, I'm going to be giving you a little secret of mine. I'm going to be showing you my one product curly hair routine. I figured I would give you guys a curly hair routine because I've been getting a lot of questions in my DMs and also my comments asking what my curly hair routine is. And also, it's not very common for, you know, us curly-headed folks to just have one product that we use. I literally only use one product and it's conditioner. I don't like go in with like a leave-in conditioner, treatment oil, pomade, none of that. So yeah. Yeah. Also, excuse my appearance. I did just come back from running a 5K. While you guys were asleep, laying on your bed, I was in the lab. Cooking, getting this body right, disciplined. Yeah, just ran a 5K, you know, something like 9:30 pace or whatever, like, you know how I do, 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 hey, you know how I do, bada do do do, bada da da ba bada ba bada boo. So this is the current condition of. Maybe I should get in the shower first. But first I gotta set up my little filming station because my tripod isn't tall enough for me. For pictures it's perfect because like you can vertical angle, but when it's on YouTube, it's not really tall. It kind of cuts at my neck. So I have to move some things around. So give me a second. Okay, so never mind. I actually can't set up my setup because my mom decided to nail the one thing I need into the wall. Great. I was gonna move this little like thingy in our bathroom to this wall so I can record myself in the shower. So I go to pull it, right? Why is homeboy literally screwed into the wall? I don't even want to film this video anymore, low key, like I'm not even kidding. What the hell am I gonna do? Okay, so this is what I had to come up with. My tripod is all the way at its height and low key, I don't really need that stand. So I'm in the shower, right? This is good. You can like see everything. Hopefully not everything. Tough crowd. First step first. First steps first. First step first. First steps first. First things first. I know it's first things first. Can you say first steps first? First things first. Now I'm like conscious about it. Whatever. Okay. First things first. First things first. Found it. First things first, set up your setup. Alright, we're gonna turn on the water to allow it to warm up to like a cool, like 65 degrees. I don't really know, but. And while that's warming up, get naked. I don't know how people take off their like shirts so seductively. You know how like some guys be like, I can't do that. Okay. I'm twerking right now. This is the current state of my hair. Now that your water has reached 65 degrees, get in the shower. Woo! Woo! Surely you can't see anything, right? Next step, wet your hair. Why is it so foggy? What the hell? Hello? What the heck? My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. What the freak? Oh my god. Oh my lord. Maybe I should leave the door open. There's no one here. Everyone's at work or at school, so it's fine. Can you stop fogging up? Alright, whatever. Now the floor is all wet. Mom, if you're watching this, this is an AI. Next, what you want to do is grab your one product that you're going to be using. I'm only using conditioner, and the conditioner I'm using is the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrient Nourishing Conditioner. New Vitamin E plus avocado oil, system for up to 72-hour nourishment and glow for dry to very dry hair. That's not necessarily my criteria of the condition of hair that I have. It's just the cheapest bottle that my mom probably found and she got in its conditioner, so that's the one we'll be using today. 72 hours is kind of crazy. I use this every day. Yeah, so So make do with what you got. Why is it so blurry? I'm over this. I'm really over this. Oh, is you cool? Do you need that? Now that that's all settled, you're gonna take a very generous amount, I would say, depending on the length and the volume of your hair. As you can see, this broccoli is pretty thick, so I'm gonna use a good amount. I usually say like 2 loops around the hand, spread it around your hands, and then apply that to your hair generously. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that was something. Get it all in there. Really, like, get in there. Like, massage your scalp. Itch it out a little bit. With your fingertips, not your fingernails. Everyone should know that. Really get in there. Massage it. Make your scalp feel good. Reach that sensation. Reach that peak. Oh. Woo. Once you put it all in and you spread it out, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to be a little bit of white casting. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but it is what it is. Yes, yes, yes. Once it's all in, now, losing my breath. Once it's all in, now you want to take your fingers and finger detangle your hair. It's crucial you do that because the next step, it's going to hurt a lot more if you don't do this first step first. First steps first. Great. Finger detangle. As you can see, my fingers are running through my hair freely. There's no big tangles. Just goes to show that my results are 100% accurate. There's no fight, there's no fuss. In the front, at least. The back, that's a different story. The back is like the final boss. All right. Actually, I take it back. The back is not the final boss. The back is the beginner level, actually. And this is what my hair looks like after it's been finger detangled. A lot of volume, as you can see. Looking like a microphone. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Next, we will be detangling our hair even further and running through it with a fine-tooth comb. Except I do not own a fine-tooth comb. I own a pick that's on its way out. Some of the teeth are a little bit crooked. One of them is literally out. But it's okay because reduce, reuse, recycle. Because I could just... Sorry, 1 second. I could just... Ooh, that hurt. Ooh, okay. Hold on, guys. Yep, I could just plop it back in like new. What do you do if your nigga untrue? Do you cut that nigga off and find someone new? I need another man, another man. Take your pick, start detangling your hair with the conditioner still in. I have not washed it off yet. If you wash off your conditioner and put nothing in and start detangling, good luck, Charlie. Sorry, that was my heater. Yep. And a little trick I like to do is follow the pick with my fingers so you really get double the amount of detangling. Ooh, that hurt a little bit. Not gonna lie. Guys, my vocal stem of the day is Brother Noah, Brother Noah, Brother Noah, Brother Noah. There's actually a song on Spotify, and the song is actually like it's fire. Like I'm not like if I heard it at a rave, I would go crazy. Brother Noah, Brother Noah, Brother Noah, Brother Noah. And if you have instances where your comb or pick will not go through, again, take your fingers, keep that up, try to run it through as much as you can, or you can do it the right way and start from your ends and work your way back. Well, do what's best for you. Do what's best for you. Oh my god, y'all, scratching your head, it just feels so good. It's gonna do it for me every time. Also, don't forget the back of your head too. Work with what you got. Patience is a virtue. If your nigga untrue. Oh, I literally just said work on the back of your head and I literally started combing the front. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Okay, so right here, it's stuck. Oh. No longer stuck. Wow, I just ripped a chunk. This is what my hair looks like after detangling it with the fine tooth comb, or in my case, the pick that's on its way out with the crooked teeth. This is not what it's gonna finally look like, but you can see the volume here. You know, it's a little poofy, something big for the girls, you know. Now that you combed it out, you're going to rinse it out with lukewarm water. Bitch, just use whatever water you want. Like, it don't even matter, for real. Like, for real. But okay, wait, sorry. It truly does matter, but like, if you got shit to do, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do what works best for you, okay? Wait, why am I giving like side? Wait, hold on. You see the side bang right now? One at a time. Hi. Yes, I'm wearing Louis Vuitton. Louis on Louis. Yes, I'm so honored to be here and be a performance at the VMAs, and I hope to put on a show for all of you guys. Oh, thank you so much. All right, see you soon. Hi. This is what my hair looks like after rinsing the conditioner out of my hair. Sorry. Shake a little bit out of the water from your hair. Because just shake the water out of your hair a little bit. Okay. The reason why I'm shaking it out is because I'm gonna reapply the conditioner that I just used, hence why this is a one product curly hair routine, so my hair doesn't dry out. The same product, the Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition Nourishing Conditioner. Yes. This time you only want to apply like half the amount you applied the first time because you're not rinsing it off and you don't want to leave too much conditioner because it'll leave your hair looking white. So I would say like one loop around of conditioner. Spread it around your hands and apply that to your hair. I do a forward and back method, or forward and back and forward. Sorry, I do, oh my god, I can't speak English. I do a back and forth application. Guys, English is not my first language, bro. I was born in France. Chill. I do a back and forth application process. I do a back and forth application method when applying my conditioner because it just feels natural to me. Go into my scalp and start shaking it a little bit, and also the back. Yes. Give the back some love. Give the back some love. Yes, there's, you know, still conditioner being seen. As you can see, those like little white casting, I guess they would call it. And it's totally fine because the next step we're gonna do is kind of gonna... Oh, English, Lewis. The next step that we're gonna do is the next step that we're going to do is going to slightly get rid of the white casting. Holy sh*. I'm gonna take a shower, rinse all of this off. There's hair stuck on my hand, and I'm gonna rinse it all off, take myself... Give myself a shower, rinse everything off, then I'm gonna move on to my next step. Boston! You ready? Come on! Louder, y'all! Bam! 1, 2, 3, 4! Okay, rinse everything off, time to dry up. If you want a budget-friendly gua sha method, use your towel. Like, a towel is low-key gua sha. You take it and just spread. It's like a lymphatic drainage, like... Do you see that jawline? Wait. Look at the material. Once you're all dried up with your towel, the next step you're going to do is shake your dreads. Shake your dreads. Just kidding, you're gonna be shaking your hair. I don't like feeling my hair on my face. It kind of just like irks me. It's just a sensation that I don't want to achieve. Or a sensation I don't want to get to. I like to wrap the towel over my face and kind of covering my forehead as much as I can. And then shake your dreads. Yes. Not only does it get rid of the water that would be dripping down your face after you get out the shower, but it also helps get rid of the white casting that was once there when you applied the conditioner. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. You know what? The only reason why it didn't work is because I put too much conditioner. So when I said only put half, maybe do like 1/3. Is 1/3 less than a half? It has to be. Yeah. I have an accounting degree. I know what I'm talking about. I also did 4 years of plumbing, so I know a little bit about fractions. Now I'm going to do my skincare, which consists of body lotion. That's it. Apply some deodorant, brush my teeth, get dressed, and put some Blistex on. And then I will show you guys what my hair looks like at the end. Alright, hair has been completed, skincare has been applied, outfit has been put on. And this is the final look of the curly hair, or sorry, one product curly hair routine. Hair so bouncy. Whatever is going on back there, none of my business. I did get rid of some of the white casting that was in there. It'll dry up eventually. Not a big deal. I'm also not going anywhere today, so no one's gonna see me. It's fine. No, I can't have the mentality. As a model now, I have to make sure I look good at all times. So this is the last time you'll ever catch me lacking. Okay, all right. So that is all for today's video. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Comment some content ideas you would like to see from me. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Forgot to mention that my hair didn't dry until 9 p.m. that night.